Hello children, welcome to the today's session. So dear students, in the last class we have completed our discussion with the second chapter, that is feelings and senses. I hope everyone understood the chapter very well, isn't it? So let's move to our third chapter in our EVS syllabus, that is playtime. So most of you people are very fond of the playing. So you like playing most, isn't it? So playing will make the exercise, will make us naturally exercise to our body. Okay, so intentionally we will do the some of the exercises like yoga, etc. But playing will one of the a natural exercise. So by playing we will make our health fit, isn't it? So playing is such a wonderful thing in our life. Okay, so let's study about the playtime. So playing is a very interesting thing. You people are always like to play, isn't it, dear children? So let's study about the playing. That means let us study about the importance of playing. What is the playing? What are the types of games are there? So what is the meaning of that play? Let's see in this chapter. Okay, children. Let's start. Okay, let's start the lesson third, playtime. Okay, children. Children, first I will read out the paragraph. So look at the textbook carefully. First I will read out and then I will explain. Okay, children, let's start. Yesterday, PT Usha visited our school as the chief guest of the annual sports day. So here Saina, she is telling about her school events. Okay, so due to the annual day sports, so as a chief guest, PT Usha visited to a school. So who is visited? PT Usha. So who is PT Usha? She will tell later. Okay. So let's see who is PT Usha. Why she is visited as a chief guest for their annual sports day. Let's see. So yesterday PT Usha visited our school as the chief guest for the annual sports day. She said that games and sports relax our mind. Playing games and sports is a good exercise. It develops our confidence, make us more disciplined in life, and channelizes our mental and physical energy in a positive manner. We become fresh and active after playing. Dear children, are you know about the PT Usha? She is the athletic. She is a runner. Okay, she will run very fastly. She is a lady who is very famous in running. Okay, PT Usha. So PT Usha, she is visited as a chief guest for their annual sports day. Okay, children. So for what purpose she is visited? She is visited for the school. For what purpose? For the purpose of annual sports day. As a chief guest, she is visited, and she told some of the important things regarding the games and playing to the children. Okay, what she told? Let's see. So she told that she said the games and sports relax our mind. So what does the games and will do for us? The games will relax our mind. They will recover from our mind from the obstacles, problems. Okay, they relax our mind. So next, playing games and sports is a good exercise. Already in the beginning itself I told you people that. So exercise, it will make the natural exercise for our body. Okay, it develops our confidence. Okay, it makes us more disciplined in our life and channelizes the mental and physical energy. So what it will do? It will increases our mental and physical energy. Okay, in a positive manner. We become fresh and active after playing, isn't it? So after playing we will become very fresh. So that's why we all people like to play very well, isn't it? So this is the importance of the playing and games said by the PT Usha in her annual day sports. Okay, as a chief guest, she is visited to the school and she told the importance of playing in our life. So this is an introduction part regarding the lesson. Okay, children. So now let's start the actual lesson. Okay, I'll read out the paragraph first and later I'll explain. Okay, so let us look out the paragraph now. Playing is fun. I'll read out first. Playing is fun. A game is a mental or physical activity played according to certain rules. So you know that for every game certain rules are there. So I hope you understood about the rules of cricket. Okay, you very well know about most of them in your age were very fond of the cricket. Okay, and small games also. So always a game is having a certain rules and regulations are followed by the games. Okay, so a sport is a so a game. What is meant by game? A game is a mental or physical activity played according to certain rules. Okay, and a sport is an activity that is played according to the set of rules and encourages the spirit of competition. Always sports, what it will do? It will encourages us, and it will always it will encourage the spirit of competition. In the sports always competitions are there. Okay, so the outcome, that is winning or losing, is very important part of the sports. You know, the winning or losing is a very important part of the sports. Okay children, for example, playing chess at the home is game, but when it is played as a national tournament, it becomes a sport. So sorry, I'll repeat once again. So for example, playing chess at the home is considered as game, but when it is played as a national tournament, then it is becomes a sports. Okay, now got the difference between the sports and the game. So games are also having a rules and regulations, and sports are also having a rules and regulations, but it will always encourages us with a lot of spirit of the competition along with that. So always sports are having a losing or winning is very important in sports. Okay, for example, so in case of the chess, we played in the home just for the fun, so it is called as a game. But the same one, if you have played for the national tournament, then it is called as sports. Okay, got the difference between the game and sports? Yes. Saina's cousin Megha, she is the captain of her school basketball team. She has to miss many classes for the game practices for playing matches. Megha told Saina that her teachers and friends help her whenever she misses the class. So, same thing happened in your schools also for the sports events. So most of the students who are very interested in playing sports, so they have to miss their most of the classes, isn't it? So what happens? And that time, the parents, teachers, friends, all support. They have to support for them, those who are playing. Why means they have to miss the class means teachers should suggest them to they have to help the students in some, they have to take the extra classes for them, and they have to teach them, and they have to, along with the teaching, they have to encourage the students for the sports. Here also Megha, she is also expecting the same thing. What the Megha is a cousin of the Sainas. Okay, so as she is the captain of the basketball team, so she have to miss their most of the classes because of the basketball sports. Okay, so on that time, what the teachers will do, teachers and her friends are also helps a lot whenever she misses the classes. Okay, they will reteach the same classes for them in the future classes. Okay, this is how the sports is very important in our life. Okay, here the fact ant is given. The world sport game from the French word disport, which means leisure. So the word sport is came from the French word. So which French word disport, which means what? Leisure. Okay, so this you have to remember, fact and. So let's move to the next paragraph. Megha practices in a sports complex every evening. Earlier, some boys. Okay, we will do this later. Okay, so this for the today's session, this is enough. I hope you understood the first paragraph. Okay, let us wind up with the first paragraph only, because we have to go with a lot of things in the later session. Okay, so let's go to this paragraph later. Okay, let's conclude with this one only, first paragraph. That is how the playing is very important. How does the PT Usha told about the importance regarding the playing, how it relaxes our mind, how it encourages us in a many ways. So what is the difference between the game and sports? Okay, so in the next class let's move with the next paragraph and also the types of games. Okay children, hope you understood the chapter, right? Okay, let's wind up the classes. So let's move to the next paragraph. Megha practices in a sports complex every evening. Earlier, some boys did not like to practice with her, but the coach explained to the team that on the field, everyone, whether a boy or girl, is a player. In fact, there are some team sports like tennis, table tennis, squash, and badminton, where the team is made up of boys and the girls both. So what happens? So Megha, she is the captain for the basketball team. Okay. So one day there will be complex. So what happens means, so Megha practices in a sport complex every evening. So she went to the sports complex and she want to play. Okay. So there what happens means, okay, let's study the second paragraph. Okay children, let's move to the next paragraph. Megha practices in a sports complex every evening. Earlier, some boys did not like to practice with her, but the coach explained to them that on the field, everyone, whether a boy or a girl, is a player. In fact, there are some team sports like tennis, table tennis, squash, and badminton where the team is made up of boys and girls both. So, what happens? Megha, she is a girl who is a captain for the basketball team, isn't it? We are learned in the first paragraph. So, some of the boys are not they are not like to practice with her because of she is a girl, isn't it? So, because she is a girl and those are boys, no? So, they are not like to practice with her. But the coach explained them that, so in a team, so both boys and girls are a player. We should not bifurcate them. So both boys and girls are the players. So when the boys are not did not like to join with her, so coach came and explained them the importance of playing. Okay, so they told that whether a boy or a girl, they are the players. So the team sports like tennis, table tennis, okay, badmintons, these are the team sports where both the boys and girls are there. So we have to cooperate with them. We have to play as a team members. Okay, we should not bifurcate whether it is a boy or girl. So the coach explained them the importance of the sports, or importance of players in a team. Okay, then they are able to know about and they are join the team. Okay, so like this, so how the coach will explain the team members about the team spirit. Okay, so I'll repeat once again. Megha practices in the sports complex every evening. So she went to the sports complex every evening, but the boys did not like to practice with her. So on that time the coach explained them that, so both whether the boy or a girl are the players in the team. So whenever the team sports are there, so both the boys and girls are there in the team. So like that they are explained and they convince the students. And they also told about the importance of the playing. Okay children, hope you understood the first paragraph. First paragraph, isn't it? So in the first paragraph what we are learned? We learned about that. So one day as a chief guest, PT Usha came to their annual sports day and she explained about the importance of playing or importance of sports in our life. So she told about how it will relax our mind, how it will improves our physical and mental energy. Okay, and it will develops a positive attitude in our life. Okay, so it will make us very fresh and active, like that she told. So after that So we will learn about what is game, what is sport. Game means it has a rules and regulations, whereas a sports means it is very important regarding the winning or losing is very important in the sports. So for example, if the tennis is played for the home itself, then it is called a game. When it is played for the national tournament, then it is called as the sports. So like this we have learned about the differences between the game and sports, and we are also learned about the so how the whenever the in the school days, whenever the sports are there, no, so some of the students will miss their classes for this purpose of sports. So on that time, how the friends and teachers helps them, so that we have discussed. And we also discussed in the playing whether the boys and girls are equal. So players means whether the in the team sports like tennis, badminton, so all the both boys and girls are also there in a player, so all are players itself, there is no difference among them. Okay, they have to play together. So this is how we have discussed regarding the playing. In the next session, okay, in the next class, let us discuss about the types of games. Okay, what are the different types of games are there, what is the team spirit, let's discuss. Okay children, let us wind up with the class. In the today's topic is about only the playing, how does the playing is important in our life. So in the next session, let us go to the types of games. Okay children, okay, let us wind